Hello dear students and teachers. After long discussion about the MCQs on various topics for first year compulsory, for second year compulsory, for first year optional and second year optional, as well as we have also discussed about the MCQs on third year phonetics. Friends, again I came before you regarding the discussion of the next semester syllabus of second year. Friends, now we are going to discuss about the fourth semester syllabus one by one. In this video, we are going to discuss about the introductory ideas about Leo Tolstoy. Friends, we are studying the very famous story of Leo Tolstoy entitled The Remorseful Sinner. But before that, it's our prime duty to discuss about Leo Tolstoy's contribution to literature as well as Leo Tolstoy as a person. Friends, if you see, if you observe, or if you study the literature, whole literature of the world, definitely we found that on every country's literature there is a very deep influence of the religion. Friends, as far as Leo Tolstoy's contribution to literature is concerned, we found that Leo Tolstoy is very world famous writer. As far as Russian writing is concerned, Leo Tolstoy is among the apostle of the Russian literature. Friends, as far as the 19th century literature is concerned, we found Leo Tolstoy is one of the icons of literature. As we know that Tolstoy has very deep influence on religion, or especially very deep influence of Bible. As we know that Leo Tolstoy was a writer, playwright, philosopher, educationist, and one of the greatest novelists of the modern world. Friends, if you see the personality, the appearance of Leo Tolstoy, then we found that how his personality as well as his literature or his literary contribution is really rotating around the religion. Throughout the life, literature was very important aspect where very straightforward reality was the major thread of Leo Tolstoy's writings. Friends, you know that throughout the life, Leo Tolstoy observed the life with open eyes and tried to reflect all these ideas in his all sorts of contributions. His works are viewed. There are many symbols. He was always in search or in quest of the meaning of the life. Apart from that, Leo Tolstoy is also known as the master of realistic fiction of his highly appreciated work, War and Peace. Friends, War and Peace is nothing but an introduction to the life of Leo Tolstoy. Apart from that, Tolstoy's another work, Anna Karenina, equally cherished or equally famous. Then he also wrote about some another fictions like The Death of Ivan Ilyich. Then Haji Murad and How Much Land Does a Man Need? These are some very great contributions. As far as Leo Tolstoy's contribution to the world of literature is concerned, he is known as among the world leaders who has long-lasting influence on 20th century epoch-making figures like Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. Friends, as far as Leo Tolstoy's life and literature is concerned, his full literature is fully influenced by moral, spiritual teaching, and how religion plays very crucial role in everybody's life. Those ideas came before us. His whole literature rotating around the themes like sin, suffering, and redemption. You know, it assumes that his stories are like a parable, which are always explaining biblical preaching, and he leading everybody towards the fulfillment of life. As far as Leo Tolstoy's 70 years life is concerned, we found that he fully focused on the impact of religion, as well as throughout the literature he always in the mode of pardon before God, before Almighty. You know, friends, I always mention you that like William Shakespeare's Tempest, how he's always in mood of saying sorry. In that regard, all the stories, all the biblical stories which has influenced Tolstoy's literature are really not only changed the mind of reader, but also try to turn the mentality of everybody. So in this regard, friends, how religion is not only for just showing to the people, but we have to follow the religion. There should be the purity, is a very important essence of religion. And so externally and internally we must be purify ourselves. How nature is very merciful, how God is loving, how all heaven is blessing for everybody. And that in that regard we are going to study the very important story, the remorseful sinner. But friends, as far as life and literature of Leo Tolstoy is concerned, we have to learn a lot from Leo Tolstoy, that how Tolstoy has transformed his life and literature with the help of religion or various biblical stories. So friends, be ready for the next video, which is about the remorseful sinner, a story of Leo Tolstoy. Thank you, friends. Again, I humbly request you that circulate all these videos among your second year friends and be ready for next video. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.